Hello and welcome to reverseengineering.net using dnSpy. In this course, you will learn reverse engineering, how to decompile .NET programs, debug .NET programs, obfuscation and deobfuscation, how to patch programs, reverse jumps, create keygens, serial phishing, and more. The tools we'll be learning are dnSpy, DE4.dot, Confuser 1.9, Confuser EX, and Unconfuser EX. The target students for this course are computing students who want to know how to debug .NET programs, anyone who has an interest in how to decompile a .NET program, and software developers who want to level up their skills on reverse engineering. The prerequisites for this course are some background in C# programming or VB.NET is helpful but not compulsory, and a Windows PC. My experience: I am a programmer and reverse engineering instructor with many years of experience. I hold a master's degree in computer science specializing in security and exploits development. I have also written several books and articles on hacking and writing hacking tools. I also have written several process patching programs used in reversing. Was also an industrial trainer for Linux security and penetration testing for several multinational corporations. This course is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. Go ahead and enroll now and get started immediately. Thank you and see you inside.